is that the trail then? Or is it?
This way.
Well, the sign. Oh. This portion is an easement only?
Yeah, but you need to stay on the trail, that's all they're saying.